Welcome to Thumbs Up, Thumbs Down. This is a curry paste dish and we need celery, carrots, green onions, and scallion. Now we also need a bundle of popchow, garlic, and also you will need a pound of shrimp deveined, and there we're adding some garlic powder, oregano, Old Bay, Lawry's seasoning, Creole seasoning, and Cayenne pepper. Now make sure that you buy those large shrimps. You make sure to remove the shell and you devein them. You don't want to be eating shrimps with all kinds of things in them now, do you? Okay, so you want to also lightly season the shrimp, and that is why I put so little seasoning on this pound of deveined shrimp. Now you mix everything together. Make sure that you put all of that delicious seasoning on everything. There it is. It looks like it can even be eaten without cooking. Then you get a large frying pan, wide enough as well, and you put about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add your red curry paste to it and let it fry up. This is gonna splatter a little bit, so be careful because you made the oil hot enough to cook down that curry. Then you add a can of coconut milk and make sure that you mix all of that to get rid of the lumps. And I'm telling you, I tasted that, and this is the first time cooking this dish, and it tasted really bland. I won't lie, really bland. So we had to season it up for ourselves. Of course, you know, I had the prepared onions and whatnot. There we're putting a bit of Lawry seasoning salt and then some garlic, and just mix that in. Then you have your green onions or scallion, and then you're gonna put your onions in it and let it boil up. After you've allowed that coconut milk and the curry to be infused with the flavors of the onion and the scallion and the garlic and the Lawry's, just let it boil up, and then you're going to add your prepared shrimp and you're going to add it, stir it, and let it cook up until it turns to a lovely pink. Add some pimento as well. Then you're going to add your carrots and your celery, and then you're going to mix. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look at the colors. My goodness, just starting to come together now. And I tasted it and it was tasting really good. Then you add half of the popchow that you had already washed and chopped. So there you add half of it, and this is why I told you to get a big enough frying pan, and that's also wide because the popchow is a little bit bulky. So you have to put it in and give it some time to kind of steam down. You see it's looking very nice. They're steaming very well and blending and marrying with all that coconut milk and the juices of the carrots and everything. Anyways, then you're gonna taste for salt. See, we added a little bit more of the za'atar seasoning there, and then you're gonna let it steam down for about 10 minutes, and voila, you have a beautiful dish fit for a king. Thank you for watching. Check the description box and you'll know if my fam gave this dish a thumbs up or a thumbs down.